The fantastic music world.
Pitch in music notation. Hi, I am Trixie. Welcome to my music studio. Today, we will talk about how to make sense of the elements of music in music notation. Be sure to watch our previous video on the elements of music to first understand the foundational concepts. First, let's talk about pitch. Pitch is about how high or low a sound is. Let's explore how pitch is represented in music notation. A note placed on the staff with a clef indicates the pitch of the note. In our video on musical family, we use the concept of family to make sense of pitch. Be sure to watch that video too. We will use the piano to help us visualize pitch. The first 7 letters of the alphabets are used to name the pitches of the white keys. The black keys on the piano are arranged in 2s, like chopsticks, and 3s, like fork. The word chopsticks starts with the letter C, and so, this white key is C. Fork starts with the letter F, so this white key is F. From these 2 easily identifiable keys C and F, we simply fill in the rest of the keys in alphabetical order A to G. Then, this set of 7 letters repeats itself to cover the rest of the piano. The sound or pitch goes higher from left to right of the piano. Each key on the piano has a unique pitch even though the same letter name is used. For example, there are 8 Cs on the piano. Each key on the piano corresponds with a note on the staff. So, how do the different pitches look like in music notation? Firstly, each note must belong to a clef on a staff. The notes must either be a line note, staff line across the note, or a space note, in between 2 staff lines. When the notes alternate between line and space, they are stepping up or stepping down, corresponding with the keys on the piano. Let's start with the easily recognizable middle C note for treble and bass clef. Middle C for treble clef is below the staff. For bass clef, it is above the staff. A short line called ledger line is given to make each middle C a line note. Middle C pitch is the C in the middle of the piano, or a full-size 88 keys. We can now find the rests of the notes, stepping up from middle C for treble, stepping down from middle C for bass clef. Now the black keys on the piano, how are they represented in music notation? First, understand the concept of semitones or half steps. I call them the nearest neighbors on the piano. When C goes up a semitone, its pitch goes higher by a semitone or half step. A sharp symbol is used to represent the altered pitch. So, a semitone higher from C is C sharp, and so on. Notice that sharps do not apply to black keys only, example, E sharp and B sharp. When a pitch goes a semitone lower, a flat symbol is used to represent the altered pitch. So, a semitone lower from C is C flat, and so on. Notice again that flats do not apply to black keys only, example C flat and F flat. Notice that a note or pitch can be called by more than one name. We call this enharmonic. Example, C sharp and D flat are enharmonic. Here are some notes on the black keys in music notation and where they are on the piano. There you have it, the 12 unique notes in music notation. 7 white keys A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 5 black keys A flat or G sharp, B flat or A sharp, D flat or C sharp, E flat or D sharp, and G flat or F sharp. As we now know, sharp raises a pitch by a semitone. The natural symbol is used to restore the note to its original pitch. Similarly, when G is lowered by a semitone, the pitch is now G flat. The natural sign restores G flat to its original pitch of G. These symbols, sharp, flat, and natural, called accidentals, are used to alter a pitch. It will take a lot of practice to be able to read notes and play on your instrument. So, be sure to check out the ebook for this video. Many exercises and tips are included in the ebook to help you improve your note reading skills. Answers are provided. I hope you have enjoyed this learning journey with me. There is so much more to learn in the music world. Let's continue to explore in the next series. See ya!
The fantastic music world.